Please subscribe for more videos.
Look at all this yummy food. Hello, Mr. Dog. What colour is the dog? The dog is blue. The dog is blue. This is an aubergine. These are watermelons. Yummy oranges. Cupcakes. Pears. Apples. These are lemons. Here we have eggs. Yummy blackberries and blueberries. Hello everyone. Can you help me find my spikes? I can't find them. Thank you. This dinosaur has lost its spikes and they're numbered. He's missing 12 spikes. Let's find them and count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Well done! We found all of his spikes. Let's count how many of each there are. Let's start with the aubergine. How many aubergines are there? 1 aubergine. 1. How many watermelons are there? 1, 2. 2 watermelons. How many oranges are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 oranges. How many cupcakes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cupcakes. How many pears are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pears. How many apples are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 apples. How many lemons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 lemons. How many eggs are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 eggs. How many blackberries are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 blackberries. How many blueberries are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 blueberries. What colours are they? These ones are green. These ones are yellow. These ones are blue. These ones are orange. Green, yellow, blue, orange. Thank you everyone for helping me. Bye!
Please subscribe for more videos.